But there's one thing a lot of us tend to forget. So Fox 4 Morning News weather anchor Dani Beckstrom recently spoke with disaster preparedness expert Cobb, who told her one item you don't want to be without.
The hygiene aspect, a lot of people overlook. Most people think food, they think water,
right?
They think money, but they don't think about hygiene.
Right.
And disasters are icky.
They are. And this is what's blowing my mind here. This is something that I didn't think about when we had the scare with Irma last year.
For more information on hurricane supply checklists, including your hygiene list, just go to our website. It's fox4now.com, and we've got a special hurricane section to hook you up. Hopefully, we won't have a lot to report on, but it's better to be safe for the next 6 months.
Absolutely, and yeah, just given some of the latest hurricane forecasts, looks like we could be looking at a near average season, maybe even a possibility of that going below average as a result of maybe some developments, one of them being cooler sea surface temperatures out in the Atlantic.